Hello friends, in this video we will see how to make this type of crochet flower. It is one of the easiest of crochet flowers. So here I am taking 4-ply yarn and 2 mm crochet hook. Make a slip knot and then chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then slip stitch into the first stitch. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and make 2 double crochets into the loop. Chain 3 and slip stitch in the loop. And then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Make again 2 double crochets into the loop. And then 3, chain 3. And then slip stitch into the loop. You have to do it 5 times for 5 petals, 6 times for 6 petals, and so on and so forth. One, 2, 3, double crochet 2 times into the loop. Chain 3, slip stitch into the loop. Pull the loop, cut the yarn and make a knot. Use a needle and weave in the end. And then cut the excess. Your crochet flower is ready.